In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox memory dump error on your PC. First, make sure that Roblox, Windows, and your GPU drivers are all updated. Many users have found that updating these solve the issue right away. If the error still appears, show the Roblox app in Desktop, right-click it, and select Open File Location. From there, right-click on Roblox Player Beta, go to Properties. Then open the Compatibility tab. Check the boxes for Run this program in compatibility mode, disable full-screen optimizations, and run this program as administrator. Apply the changes and test if Roblox works. If the issue persists, press Windows key +R, type %localaptita% and hit Enter. In the folder that opens, find the Roblox folder and delete it. This will remove old cache files that may be causing the problem. As a last resort, if nothing else works, try uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox, either from the Microsoft Store or directly from the official Roblox website. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,